Have you ever been frustrated by a glitchy app that just won't behave? If you're dealing with a semi-transparent rating bar in your recycler view, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into this issue and finding a solution together. I totally get how annoying it can be when your app doesn't display elements correctly. It can feel like you're chasing your tail trying to figure out what's wrong. You're definitely not the only one facing this issue. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user reported that their rating bar in a recycler view sometimes appears semi-transparent. They mentioned that after navigating away and returning, it looks normal again. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be causing this semi-transparency? It might be related to how the recycler view recycles its views, or how the rating bar is being rendered. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand. And stick around. I've got a great tip at the end that could help you avoid this issue in the future. To address the issue with the rating bar appearing semi-transparent, the user should first ensure that the rating bar is properly initialized in the on-bind view holder method. This can help in refreshing the view when it is recycled. Next, the user should consider setting the background of the rating bar to fully opaque. This can prevent any transparency issues that might arise from the parent layout. Additionally, the user can try overriding the on-layout method of the rating bar to ensure it is drawn correctly. This can help in fixing any layout issues that may cause the semi-transparent appearance. Finally, the user should test the application on different devices to ensure consistent behavior across various Android versions. This can help identify if the issue is device-specific. Fun fact, did you know that the first graphical user interfaces were developed in the 1970s? We've come a long way since then, but sometimes old bugs still haunt us. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from a user suggests programmatically setting colors for the rating bar. They recommend using a layer drawable to adjust the colors of the stars, ensuring that the filled and empty stars have the desired appearance. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. One user faced similar issues with the native rating bar and found a solution by switching to Material Rating Bar. This alternative resolved all their problems. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your app on multiple devices. This can help you catch rendering issues before they reach your users. And there you have it. With these steps, your rating bar should display correctly. Remember, testing and refreshing views are key. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and stay tuned for our next video.